Avular is a company that builds mobile robots and tools for mobile robots, and we have been doing this since 2014. I was always on the search for new 3D printing technologies, so I was really aware of what's out there. Using HP MGF for our drones really made a difference because we could make really lightweight parts, incorporate different functions into one part. We had better material specs, we could go thinner in wall thickness, and we have a nice surface finish. We used to make a very specific drone with molds, and then you see that you have lead times for up to 2 months, and then you test the prototype and it takes another 2 months. Now we have this within 2 to 3 weeks, and within 4 months we're up and running inside the market with an end solution, and this gives us the competitive edge. And for this we chose HP MGF, and especially we do this with Materialise because they're a certified partner.
Avular found their way to our online ordering system, which is available 24/7. So it allowed them to order their parts whenever they felt ready and to iterate a lot of times. Second of all, being able to print very small series, they could offer their customers a level of customizations which they couldn't do before with other conventional technologies.
We created the base design, and when a customer gets to us with a specific business case, we can alter the design. We upload it into the Materialise portal, and within weeks we have the parts. And it's all available through the portal of Materialise and through the process of the HP printing technology.
MGF pushed the boundaries on both functional and surface quality, so the level of parts that they are now getting is a higher standard than what they were previously sourcing.
If your part stays nice and integrally safe and strong, then you can really develop on that, and you can really change the way you put products into the market. And I think that really changed the game also for Avular.